how to fix lagging problem on TikTok app in 2024. So guys, if you want to fix the lag that you are facing in TikTok application in 2024, you have found the right video. Make sure to watch the video till end. In this video, I will tell you about 3 steps that you can follow to fix TikTok app lagging. So guys, first thing that you can do is to go to search bar and tap for speed test, and then you'll have to run your speed test by Ookla by simply tapping on go, and if it's anything above 5 MBs per second, that's fine. The second thing you can do is to tap on Play Store and search for TikTok, and if it says update, tap on update and your app will be updated. It will fix all the glitches and bugs from your TikTok application. If it doesn't work, tap on settings, tap on general and iPhone storage and look for TikTok here. Once you found it, tap on it and click on offload app, offload it and reinstall it. It will not lose your TikTok account data. It will simply reinstall the application, which will remove all the glitches and corrupted files from your TikTok application. That will help you to fix the lag in your TikTok application. It works on both iPhone and Android. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.